discuss chapter number 4, operators and expressions in Java. This is the fourth chapter. The first topic of this chapter is operators. Operator is basically a symbol or a token which performs mathematical or logical operations and gives meaningful results. These operators are basically a symbol or a token. It means these operator is also called as symbol or a token, which performs some mathematical and logical operations. Mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and logical operations, it means you should compare with two operands like logically true or false. For example, C is equal to A plus B into 4. Here C, A and B are the operands, and plus and multiply is an operator. The expression is C is equal to A plus B into 4. The next topic is arithmetical expression and arithmetical statement. An arithmetical expression may contain the variable, constants and arithmetical operators together to produce. It means arithmetical expression means you can use a variables like x plus, say x and y are the variables, and constant means some specific value, or arithmetical operators like addition, subtraction and division. For example, x plus y is an arithmetical expression. Here x and y are the variables and plus is an operator. Arithmetical statements क्या होते हैं? If an arithmetical expression is assigned to a variable, then it is known as arithmetical statement. For example, z is equal to x plus y. X plus y is an arithmetical expression which is assigned to the variable z. That's why it is called as arithmetical statement. Next topic is expression in Java, ABC. Expression in Java means here this is the most important topic and one question of marks 2 marks in every year coming in the board examination. Here we can show all the mathematical expressions right in Java form. For example यहाँ पे in this multiply मैथमेटिक्स में ऐसे लिखा जाएगा, बट इन कंप्यूटर यू शुड राइट स्टार साइन. डिवाइड साइन इज इक्वल टू राइट एज फॉरवर्ड ब्लैक. स्क्वायर रूट के लिए यू कैन यूज अ फंक्शन मैथ डॉट strt. क्यूब रूट के लिए मैथ डॉट cbrt. एंड मॉडुलस मॉड्स के लिए जो मॉड वाला ये साइन होता है उसके लिए मैथ डॉट एब्सोल्यूट फंक्शन इज यूज. So you can use these functions and multiplication or division to change the mathematical expression in Java expression. For example, ABC. So ABC write in Java like this: A star B star C. Square root of A square plus B square write in computer math.sqrt 8 into A plus B into B. Square root of b square minus 4ac is equal to math dot square root के लिए you can write math dot sqrt function. B square means b into b minus 4ac means 4 into a into c. So student, you can write these two or three topics in your computer notebook, theory notebook, and